Hello friends, welcome to Mystical Mindscape. When the divine force selects you, it doesn't hand you a manual. Instead, it offers clues, signs, and whispers. Dismissing these signs as mere coincidences is a mistake. It's crucial to acknowledge them, delve into their depths, and discern the arrows pointing towards your destiny. Authenticity defines you. You cannot pretend to be something you're not. When a situation doesn't align with your values, you choose to exit rather than feigning dishonesty. Genuine connections matter to you, and you struggle to relate to those driven solely by materialism, gossip, or bullying. You possess a unique ability, a fake radar, to detect insincerity from a distance. This innate gift sets you apart as a chosen one. Your authenticity extends beyond self. You have an intuitive understanding of when others are true to themselves. Your thirst for more transcends the mundane. While some find solace in routine, you feel an innate urge for something greater. The conventional path feels like a constraining trap. You recognize that life extends beyond a regular job and societal norms. Unbound by limitations that hinder others, you acknowledge a vast, extraordinary world waiting to be explored. Opting for the road less traveled, you embrace a unique journey that shapes your life in profound ways. Being chosen means facing challenges from the start. These difficulties serve a purpose, making you stronger and wiser. Navigating through dark times equips you with the skills to guide others through their struggles. Each hardship contributes to your spiritual growth, providing the wisdom needed to contribute positively to the world. Your experiences make the path easier for those who follow. Overcoming challenges becomes a way for you to act as a beacon for those lost or in pain. Your resilience prevents others from enduring similar hardships, turning your struggles into valuable lessons. Your quest for truth defines you. From a young age, you've sought to unravel the mysteries of existence. Unafraid to question societal norms, you forge your own path, driven by a deep curiosity to explore and understand life's deeper meanings. You believe in the importance of self-reflection, constantly exploring your identity and purpose. As a black sheep in your family, you've always felt different. Your divergent political beliefs or unique perspective on the world set you apart. Though it may lead to feelings of isolation, being the black sheep is a sign that you're destined for something beyond conformity. Your innate goodness distinguishes you. Despite past mistreatment, you choose kindness and generosity. Your pure heart drives you to make people happy, even at the expense of your own well-being. Your altruistic nature is a clear indicator of your special purpose. You have an inner knowing, an unshakable feeling that you are chosen for a greater purpose. Despite attempts to ignore it, the gut feeling persists, urging you towards something significant. You feel like an old soul, disconnected from Earth's ways, yearning for a different place. Your calling to change the world remains steadfast. Though some people may dislike you, it's not about you. It's about their discomfort with the goodness and light within you. Your role as a light worker, bringing love and positivity into the world, is essential. Embrace your uniqueness, trusting that the universe has your back. Your belief in a higher power sets you apart. You deeply respect the powers of the universe or God, and understand that everything unfolds according to a higher plan. As a light worker, you bring light and love into the world, guided and protected by higher powers. This belief in a higher purpose is a testament to your role in fulfilling mission on Earth. In conclusion, if you recognize these signs in your life, it's a call from a higher power urging you to fulfill a unique mission during your time on Earth. Embrace it, for you are part of a faithful family on a journey of wisdom and blessings. And as you embark on this profound journey, remember that your thirst for more is not a mere restlessness, but a sign of a deeper calling. You are not alone in facing challenges, for each obstacle is a stepping stone to spiritual growth. Your unique ability to detect insincerity is a gift, allowing you to navigate through a world often clouded by facades. Your quest for truth is not just a personal endeavor. It is a beacon of light for those who seek understanding. Your role as a black sheep is not a curse, but a symbol of your divergence from the ordinary, destined for a purpose beyond societal norms. Your goodness is not a weakness. It is a strength that illuminates the path for others. In moments of doubt, When people dislike you for reasons beyond your comprehension, remember that your light might unveil the darkness within them. As a natural giver, your generosity is not in vain. It is a testament to your chosen path. Embrace your inner knowing, that unshakable feeling that you are here for something significant. In the grand tapestry of existence, your presence is not a mere coincidence. It is a deliberate thread woven by higher powers. Trust in your journey, for it is guided and protected by forces beyond comprehension. As you believe in a higher power, believe also in your role as a light worker, bringing positivity and love into a world that often yearns for such light. May this video serve as a reminder of your unique purpose and the extraordinary journey that lies ahead. Embrace each moment, for you are a chosen one, destined for a life that transcends the ordinary.